Hi guys, good morning. I'm with my Sion. Kiss mo na. I love you. Salip, salip. I love you. Good morning. Good morning. Down. Coffee. So we're having like one-on-one mother and son time while we are waiting to the rice to cook. I said I'm also cooking right now. There. The rice is cooking, and while we are waiting, I'm having coffee and he is having biscuit that came from the store, that we borrowed from the store. Utang. Cheers. It's supply. Ang baka ay naroon na pwede mong paglaruan. I'm not gonna cut your hair till your birthday comes, so it will become mahaba.